You've tried glancing at the photos on Pinterest, determined to make your anchor chart as pretty as the ones you see on Instagram. But then you end up feeling like, well, at least only me and the kids are gonna see this. You might wanna try making your anchor chart using something like Canva first, and then printing it out or tracing it. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to make an anchor chart using Canva that won't leave you feeling like you hope none of your teammates come in today to see the eyesore of the anchor chart that you tried to make. A bonus is that you can print this anchor chart on 8.5-11 paper for your students so that they can fill it in alongside you. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to canva.com. If you don't have an account, you'll want to sign up for one. It's free. There is a paid version, and you're going to want to go to, I just like to go to custom size. It's just easier to make it exactly what I need it to be. And so you can see that I already have custom sizes in here, but I would just make it 8.5. We'll just go ahead and do it. 8.5 by 11. And right here, we're going to change it to inches. Change it to inches first. And we're going to create a new design. Okay, and then the first thing that after that, you're going to want, I always title it. So we're going to actually make a KWL anchor chart. And you're going to hit the text. Now, I already have fonts in place that I really like. For the purpose of this, I'll just add a text box. We're going to make it big. And you're going to want to pick your text. You can upload the text if you have any, so these are my uploaded fonts. You can upload fonts that you like, or you can just use some of their fonts. So we'll use one of theirs. Okay, so at the top, you're going to go ahead and put in your topic. I'm just going to type topic, that you would put in whatever your specific topic is going to be about. Now you can play with this. You could change the colors. I like it because you can make it look however you really want it to look. You can also go to effects. I like to add a black outline. Okay, once we have that, I'm actually going to duplicate it because I'm going to use this as my font, and I don't want to have to go through and choose it and everything. Now, see how the little purple pops up? That shows that it is in line with the page, and that's what you want. So you want to make sure that it's centered. And then we're just going to go in and we are going to add a line. So you can add, if you want a decorative line or if you just want a straight line, you can pick what kind of line you want to add. Now, to ensure that these are evenly spaced, we could highlight all of them, and then we can go to space evenly. And they're actually good. And then from there, once you have it looking exactly like you want, I really like that you can also add other elements. So let's say that we were learning about a specific animal. You could actually put in, if I was changing my topic to koala, I could put in a photo, or I could choose a graphic. And that's one of the other things that I really like about Canva. Now you will notice that it's got the little crown. If it has a crown, that means it's pro. I believe that as of right now, teachers can get a pro account for free. Or you can just pay for using if you need to use one of the images. Once you get done and your anchor chart looks exactly the way that you want it to look, where you're going to go to share. And from here, you're going to press download. And you have two options. So option one is that you can download it as a PDF. I would download it as a PDF if I was going to print using Adobe Acrobat. Now, if you're going to print using a different program, a different software program, which I have a video right here that you can check out, two different softwares where you can print for free, then you're going to need it to be a JPEG. And if you're going to send it out to be printed by a printing company, you're going to also want it to be a JPEG. If you are just putting it up on your board to trace, then you don't actually have to choose either of these. You can project it just like this. And the last thing is, if you are going to print these small for your classroom, I would also choose PDF standard. Okay, now you might be wondering, I've made this anchor chart. Now how do I get it to poster size? And if that's what you're thinking, you're gonna wanna watch this video here where I'm showing how to take an 8.5 of 11 paper, a PDF, and turn it into an anchor chart. And don't forget, for more teacher tips, tricks, and classroom management resources, to like and subscribe and hit that little bell so that you get notified for future videos. See you next time.